Startup Launchpad Summer School is an intensive, hands-on program designed to help you turn ideas into validated startup opportunities. Whether you've got a business idea or you want to join a team, this summer school will give you the tools to test ideas and build high-growth startups. You'll learn how to identify and validate business opportunities, develop and test value propositions, acquire early customers, build a business model, and create a compelling pitch. We'll also discuss the financial side and explore different sources of funding for your startup. There's also a strong focus on entrepreneurial finance and understanding market demand. The summer school is led by 3 experienced entrepreneurs. You'll learn best practice hands-on entrepreneurship skills, hear from experts in the field, and meet founders and investors. You'll also be testing your business idea in the real world. You'll not just be learning about theory, you'll learn by gaining practical experience in validating startup ideas and pitching to real investors. By the end of the summer school, you'll have a deep understanding of the entrepreneurial process, know how to develop a business model, engage early adopters, and craft a winning pitch. You'll also build critical skills in problem solving, teamwork, and fast execution. All of this is essential for launching a startup. If you're ambitious and eager to turn your ideas into real startup opportunities, then the Startup Launchpad Summer School is for you.